Up in the sky, where all wondrous and miraculous things occur, was a white, fluffy cloud. On this cloud lived many snowflakes, all six-pointed, but all different. They all sat together on this cloud, waiting for that eventful day when they would finally make it down to the earth. One snowflake, Shimmer, was an especially curious little snowflake. He was constantly observing everything around him. Down below was Earth, the place where adventure began. To his left and right were snowflakes of all different shapes and sizes, yet they all had 6 points. And up above was another cloud where all of the most beautiful snowflakes came from. He looked longingly up, wishing he could meet a snowflake from that cloud, to witness their beauty. And he looked longingly down, wishing for life to be filled with excitement. Shimmer was very unsatisfied. But then one day, the unthinkable happened. A snowflake from the upper cloud was falling, straight towards Shimmer.
Come with me, share this adventure with me.
I think that possibly, maybe I'm falling for you. Yes, there's a chance that I've fallen quite hard over you.
Shimmer was awestruck. He could not say anything.
Well, you are a quiet one, aren't you?
Yes?
I'm Uniqua. What's your name?
Shimmer.
That's appropriate. Your 6 points sure do shimmer. Isn't it amazing how we all have 6 points, yet we're all different?
I have always wondered that. Why is that? Oh my gosh! What's going on? What's happening to you? I'm changing too! Uniqua, please tell me what's happening.
Shimmer, it's okay. Calm down. This is supposed to happen.
Really?
Yeah, when we fall through the atmosphere, the world is attacking all our particles. Some lose the fight and fall away. Others are strong enough to pull new particles in. All the other forces around us cause us to constantly change. That's why not one snowflake is identical to another.
Oh, I suppose that makes sense.
Oh, Shimmer, I wish you could see how handsome you look.
I'm sure it's nothing compared to your beauty.
Let's take a break for a while. All of this falling is exhausting.
Okay, what would you like to do?
Let's just sit here and watch the other snowflakes fall. It really is a beautiful sight.
Is it true that we all really have 6 points? I haven't seen one snowflake fall that didn't have 6.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing, isn't it?
Why is that?
It all has to do with our composition. You know that as particles of water, we're made up of 2 parts hydrogen and 1 part oxygen, right?
That sounds vaguely similar.
Well, when hydrogen and oxygen combine, they form a polar covalent compound.
A what?
A covalent compound is a compound in which the electrons of each element, in this case the hydrogen and oxygen, are shared. When it is polar, that means that the electronegativity difference between the elements is kind of large.
Electronegativity? Goodness, these are some big words.
Well, that's what you get in chemistry.
This is chemistry?
Oh, for sure. Okay, electronegativity is how much an element wants an electron. Oxygen wants an electron more than hydrogen does, so the electrons are more attracted to the oxygen than the hydrogen. This creates a negative and a positive end. Here, let me draw you a picture. The oxygen end is more negative and the hydrogen end is more positive. Because of this, water molecules like to attach to each other. See? You can attach a hydrogen end to an oxygen end. The bond between water molecules is called a hydrogen bond. You can just keep attaching water molecules to each other.
Is that how we grow? A bunch of water molecules are all attached to each other?
Sort of. They attach in a certain way. The most stable way to attach them is a ring of 6. See?
6, like 6 points.
Exactly.
So we only consist of 6 water molecules?
No, that's just the beginning of the 6-sided crystal.
We're crystals?
Yep. As we start becoming solid after being gaseous, we crystallize because of the cooler temperatures.
Okay, so then how do we grow?
Well, more water molecules start to attach, making us bigger, but they continue attaching in that 6-ring pattern, making us grow in 6 equally spaced directions. Thus, 6 points.
Wow, I never knew we were so complex.
That's what makes you so special. Hey, you want to keep following?
Sure, I'm anxious to see Earth. What happens there? I hear that I become something entirely different.
That's a whole nother lesson. I'll tell you later.
Shimmer and Uniqua kept falling, but not just towards Earth. They were falling for each other.